This is Roll-On Truck Bed Liner, an affordable, durable, and easy to apply coating. With this, we're going to cut down on road noise, rust-proof the car, and help keep us warm in the winter. My name is Sam, and I'm going to show you how to apply it here on Project RestoModZ. First thing we got to do is pop that lid off with a flat head. Now, we are ready to start mixing. I couldn't find my mixer, so a bent rod on a drill works just as well. It's hard to see on camera, but the first couple of inches in the can here is all clear. All the good stuff's down at the bottom. We need to mix this really well until it's a uniform and thick, almost like pancake mix. This process took me about 15 minutes.
Wow, that's really thick and thick with two C's.
Onto the car now. First, we want to scuff all our surfaces with a Scotch-Brite and prime any bare metal spots. Then, we can map out a direction on where we want to start. We want to make sure we get all our surfaces and don't trap ourselves inside the car. After that, it's pretty simple. I paint the coating on in a semi-thick manner, painting in a 2 foot by 2 foot area in a dabbing motion. Dabbing adds texture to the coating as well as thickening the applied layer. After we finish applying the first coat, we're going to let it sit for 2 hours. Then, we're going to apply a second coat, just as thick as the first. After the second coat is finished, we're going to let the car cure for 24 hours total. After the 24-hour cure mark, we can go back to working on the car as normal. I plan to go the extra mile on this car, so I'm going to coat the underneath as well. With cleaning, sanding, applying, and dry times, this process took me 4 days to complete. Adding this coating is like adding a thick layer of rubber to the metal. This is going to greatly reduce the road noise and rattling when we're cruising this thing down the freeway. This coating is waterproof and rust resistant, so as long as we did our prep work, this coating is going to last years to come. In a previous episode, you saw me remove the factory sound deadening in preparation for stitch welding. Now that the car is stitch welded, we need to prime the surfaces and recoat them as to prevent them from rusting in the future. This Rustoleum Truck Bed Coating is a great product to help waterproof our interior of our car and prevent rust from forming. Here you see I brush the coating on and then go back over and dab over the brush to give it that textured look. If I just brushed the coating on, it would be too thin. So adding those textured element to this coating thickens the coating, creates more insulation, thus creating more sound deadening. And like I said, Our main goal here is to reduce road noise and vibrations in the car when we're driving it. So we want to focus mostly on areas that are prone to rattling. We want to add more coating, thicker layers to larger surface areas, large flat areas such as the floorboards, the firewall, and the transmission tunnel. Places like corners, frame rails aren't going to need as much coating because they're already going to be pretty stiff and less likely to rattle. And here we are. This is all finished underneath, under the fender wells. The interior's all finished here now. This is all after the second coat has been applied. So now we're gonna let the car sit for 24 hours, fully cure. Here's underneath the rear with a sneak peek of our suspension going in. And that's gonna do it for this episode, you guys. I had a lot of fun filming this video. I hope you guys had a lot of fun watching it. If you liked the video, please give it a like. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you thought about the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.